Hello guys, this is my 185 video of the fluent English speaking skills. Guys, today's day goes well as always. Today I wake up early, do all the thing, and I don't do the breakfast today. I quickly go outside for catching the train. After catching the train, I went to the Thane station, and I usually take the ST bus, but today there is a strike and ST, so the ST person said to take the TMT bus. Then I go upward in TMT bus. At the TMT bus, there is not any buses coming, so there is not any kind of bus coming. So I wait almost 1 hour. After that, me with a friend take the bus, and my friend is not bring the wallet, so I paid the bill of his amount, but I can take it in the later on period. That's I can do it. And after that, I came to the the one thing is that after 1 hour I get the TMT bus, but in between the road there is a tanker is getting flipped, so it is very dense area or a buffer zone in the specific zone in Manpada and Patlipada in between that. But I smoothly go there in the college. Today is our presentation. The presentation goes well as always. Some kind of minor issues here and there. I accepted the wrong thing and all, and I improve it at the time passes. Also, in the period of the Ganpati vacation or a Ganpati chutti, in the period of that, we decided to complete the whole project in that. And in step ahead of that, I decided to finish the project in 2 days. Means I have the code, source code and all, implement it in my machine and run it, and then understand how it works and all. Also, I'm start to learn the smart contract thing, but I'm in between that I'm stopped. So I resume this journey ahead. That's my main aim, and I'm making this video very short and sweet. So that's it. That's it for today. I'm in love with my God and my family. I'm physically, mentally, in a peace. Thank you, God, for giving me such a wonderful and healthy body. I'm monetized with all the illusion that are present in the universe. Life is great. आयुष्य खूप चांगलं आहे. देवा काळजी बरोबर ब्रह्मदांश माझ्यामध्ये ओम शपी. थँक्यू. दॅट्स इट फॉर टुडे. भारत माझे की जय. वंदे मातरम. जय श्रीराम.